So we are back with the interpolation and nonlinear block. Nonlinear block is not supported originally by the ProSafeRS, but you can develop your own block by using a structured text. And there's an example here. In this example, we have 6 input parameters and 6 outputs. This nonlinear function has 5 sections, 6 point in input, 6 point in output, and if we give any value between these sections in the program, we should get the input. In this example, x is 10. We should search if 10 between any of these input variables. 10 is between 9 and 18, and it's in this section. And we need to write the line related to this section, and after finding the linear equation, we substitute x with 10 and calculate the y. It's not a difficult problem. We need to find the segment and the slope, and b, after slope and b is calculated, it's possible to find the result. For our x equal to 10, the y will be 73.8. So we define these variables in declaration table of the function block in dictionary. We have some x, some y, max x, min x, and x as input, y as output, and error as output. Error is boolean. If the x is out of range, we need to generate $. And these are the internal variables. A and b are related to the slope and related to the line equation, and these are the copies of lx1, lx2, ly1, and ly2. These are copies of the x variables and y variables related to the line in which x is within that line. So the program is simple. The program is very simple here. For x equal to 10, x equal to 10, x equal to 10, we have the output of 73.889. That's all. Like x, I want to calculate x 200. For sure it's out of range, and the output will be false, and the error will be true. About if what we put input 20, it should be between 60 and 70. Let me 20 x 20, the output will be 68. And what about if I put the output 5? It's between 0 and 20, like 15. So 5. .0, it's 15. What about 6? 6.0, it's 18. So it's a very simple block, nonlinear block, and in future we may encounter some conditions for protections that may be nonlinear formula, that we perform some tests in the manufacturer production line. We perform some tests, and those test results are our reference to draw the safety lines. And in order to perform operation, we should have our enough distance from the those dangerous areas. So I pause the video here. Nonlinear block. You have the blocks. You can do function tests, and we stop a video here. We move to the next topic.